lesson, let's sing the hello song. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, I like hello, 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 I like hello, 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 I like hello, hello, Mr. Simon. Yes. Okay, today we're gonna do a rhyme called Little Miss Muffet. Okay, let's do the words first. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her bowl of cheese. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay, now let's do it together, okay? 1, 2, 3. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her bowl of cheese. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Hello children, it's Mr. Simon here and welcome to Friday again. Okay, today we're gonna do the letter J. The letter J. And in this rhyme we have jam. Do you like jam? You can put jam on the bread. Jam on the bread. And also in the rhyme we have juice. Juice. Okay? Ooh, I like orange juice. What do you like? Okay, let's start the rhyme. Let's say the words, okay? So, here is big J. Here is small J. J says J. J says J. J is for jam. J is for juice. J, J, J. J, J, J. Okay, now let's sing it with the rhyme. Ready? 1, 2, 3. He is big J. He is small J. J says J. J says J. J is for jam. J is for juice. J, J, J. J, J, J. Very good. Okay, let's sing the goodbye song. And I'll see you next Friday. Show me hand. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, goodbye. I like goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. I like goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. I like goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Simon. Bye bye. See you later.